Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel DIY craft videos, your go-to channel for home decor and DIY holiday inspiration. And today we are diving into one of my favorite holiday tradition, decorating the Christmas tree. Whether you are looking to create a cozy classic vibe or a bold or modern twist, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So grab a warm cup of coffee and let's get started. Christmas trees are such a beautiful way to bring holiday spirit into your home, and decorating them can be both fun and super rewarding. In this video, I will be sharing some amazing ideas, tips, and tricks and images to help you create a tree that's not only stunning but also reflects your personal style. First things first, let's talk theme and color schemes. This will set the tone for your entire tree. Popular choices are the traditional red and gold, frosty winter whites with silver, or even a bold blue and silver combination. But we feel free to think outside the box. This year, maybe try a whimsical candy inspired theme or a rustic woodland look with early tones and wooden ornaments. Once you have settled on your theme, it's time to start with the lights. A well lit tree can make all the difference. Start from the bottom and weaves your lights up and around the branches. Going all the way to the top for a fuller glow, use a combination of light and colored lights or even some twinkle lights for extra sparkle. A great rule of thumb is around 100 lights per foot of tree, but feel free to add more if you want that extra shimmer. So, next up, you were adding garland that can be anything from traditional times to ribbon, beards, or even a natural garland made of pine cones or berries, or some ribbons, or with fleshy balls. One trick is to tuck the garland deep into the branches and let it castle down. You can also layer different garland types to create texture and depth on your tree. Now, for the fun part, ornaments. Start with your statement pieces first. These are the larger, eye catching ornaments that will define your theme. Place them evenly around the tree. Then fill in with medium and small ornaments and add personal touches like family heirlooms or handmade decorations, some ribbons, and other than things. Try to balance colors and shapes throughout the tree so it looks cohesive from every angle. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Add a tree topper that complements your theme. That this could be a traditional star, an angel, or something unique like a bow or floral arrangements with some shiny stars. And don't forget the tree skirt to bring the whole look together. If you want an extra cozy vibe, try placing a few wrapped presenter decorative boxes at the base of the tree. And that's it. You have created a beautiful personalized Christmas tree that's ready to impress. And Christmas tree is a decorative tree, usually an evergreen. The custom was developed in Central Europe and some other countries. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys, and these are very pretty Christmas tree decoration ideas for you. And I hope so you like these Christmas trees. These are very amazing, very unique, and very latest Christmas tree decoration ideas. You can make these Christmas trees at home very easily. I've gathered a delightful mix of ideas for all different styles, from easy peasy DIY project to budget friendly products that won't break the bank, and many beautiful Christmas tree to spark your decor inspiration. Some of these ideas are a small detail that will help you upgrade your Christmas trees, while others are creative options that will totally transform your Christmas decor. These are very classy, very beautiful, and very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like these Christmas trees. And whether you are seasoned decor or just starting, these budget friendly Christmas trees ideas will help you to create stylish holiday decoration. These are a collection of beautiful Christmas tree decorating ideas and holiday Christmas with a ribbon bow Christmas trees and different type of velvet bow Christmas trees and some blue and white Christmas trees. And these are my favorite Christmas trees of 2024, and I hope so you like these trees. And these trees have some navy blue and gold Christmas bows and some other leaves. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree set ready to bring joy and sparkle to your holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more holiday decor inspiration. Happy decorating, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.